Warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 10:30 a.m. At 9:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Davis Junction, or near Rockford Airport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. A 60 miles per hour wind gust was measured at Rockford Airport, and 52 miles per hour gust was measured in Rochelle. The winds may last longer than 30 minutes. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, DeKalb, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Byron, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cortland, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, and Pecatonica. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 97 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 98. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 31. This includes Northern Illinois University, Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Great day for the first day of school.
A severe